Now, remembering this is amateur radio, so if I'm not doing this correctly, I'd value your comments below. So please comment below and tell me if I haven't done this correctly or if you've got some better ideas. What I'm doing today is I've got an old ice cream container. It probably would be a lot better if it was a metal container, but I'm going to try this and see if it works. I've got my plug on here, and on the back I've got the center to red and the outside to black, and I've got that fixed there so there's no pressure on the cables here. And I'll put this upside down like that. So that's looking straight up the pole. 160 meter antenna goes out there. That's what I'm focusing on at the minute, and goes vertical up this pole into this box. So that goes in here from inside, and then I've got my other cables, ground radials, and the radial goes up the pole in here. I've got a screw here, and basically all the tension of these cables is on that screw. I'll put some cable ties around it just to keep it closed after I've tested it to make sure it works. Okay, here we are testing. So first thing I'm going to do is turn the power down and turn it right down to low. And now I'm going to check, let the antenna tuner do its thing. VK3 TBS testing, 1 2 1 2. And if you can see,
Turn the rig on and now I hear VK3 TBS testing.
oh hello, you can hear me. I'm still on low power. I might turn it up and see what happens.